Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the topic clocks and 0 degrees. Today completely we are going to discuss about the angles. What about the angles means 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. When the clock, the both hands make these degrees. One question he gave in the exams, between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, when both hands make 0 degrees, between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Let us take, this is the location of 3 o'clock. It will rotate and rotate, again it will reach 4. This is 4 o'clock. Here the hour hand will move only 5 minutes, but again the completed rotation it will take, already we discussed in the past episodes, that minute hand again it will reach 12 o'clock. But here when both hands make 0 degrees, let us assume that 3, 3, 5, 3, 10, 3, 15 maybe. How it is looking like? This setup is completely looking like 315. 315 is nothing but looking like 0 degrees. But how the 0 degrees it will be formed? Is 315 a correct answer or not? In our imagination only the answer it will come, or can we do on the paper? Whatever it may be, I will tell you. Directly trick I am going to teach you. Between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. The trick is 5x and 5x by 11. Here between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, we are going to say 3:05, 3:10, 3:30, 3:45, 3:55, again 4 o'clock. So completely the time setup is going on 3 only. Here x means 3. And 15 by 11. Here a small correction it is there. This is a mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction, this is called numerator. If the numerator is more than 11 only, we are going to take one step. Less than 11 means we should keep like this. Here more than 11, 15 is more than 11. We will do the division. I will explain it. Now here the quotient is 1. Take 1 and add this. (16). Here 4 by 11. This 1 added here, it become 16. And 4 by 11. The remainder and the divisor 4 by 11. Where the time it starts? 3 o'clock. So we have to take like this. Our time is 3 hours, 16 minutes, 4 by 16 minutes, 4 by 11 seconds. I will explain you one more time. What he gave when 0 degrees form between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. 5x and 5x by 11. Here x means 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 by 11. Already I told you. In the fraction, if the numerator is more than the denominator, we will take the division. Just we took the division. The quotient is 1 added here. Now the remainder and the divisor 16. Where the time it will start? By 3 o'clock, the given time. So we should place it only. Did you get it or not? I will explain you one more sum. Let us take 7 and 8. 7 and 8 means here 5 into 7. 5 into 7 by 11. 35 and 35 by 11. More than 11, we should take the division. 3 added here, 2 by 11. Where the time it starts? Sir? If let us think one more thing. 315 for our naked eyes, but there 316 4 by 11. That is exact answer. Here also 738 and 2 by 11. Take another one more sum. 4 and 5. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 by 11. It means 20 and 20 by 11. More than 11. 11 ones are 11. 9. 1 added here. 21 and 9 by 11. 4. This is our answer. See how simple we got it. Just you take, you follow the R.S. Agrawal, whatever the publishers, I am not mentioning the names. A vast procedure and a lengthy procedure they gave. But here, I told you the trick. Now, for 0 degrees, in the competitive exams, he mentioned 2 to 3 words. 0 degrees, both hands coincide with each other. Both hands showing the same direction. This is nothing but 0 degrees. Both hands showing the same direction. Same direction. Both hands coincide with each other. Zero degrees. 3 names. 0 degrees. Both hands coincide with each other, showing the same direction. All are equal. Now we are going to take another module. 90 degrees. $90 means when 90 degrees form between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, the same vision. 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. At the time of 3 only, it is looking like 90 degrees. At the time of 3:30, it is also looking like 90 degrees only. It means what we have to observe, per every hour, 2 times it was located. For 0 degrees means 1 time only it will be happened. For 90 degrees means it will be happened twice. For every hour. For this one, how it will be formed, let us explain. Let me explain. (5x plus or minus 15) and 5x plus or minus 15 by 11. This is the format. So take one example, 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, when it will be 9 degrees, when it will be formed. 5 into 4, like the previous only. 5 into 4 plus 15. Remember one thing, plus or minus means on addition one time we will take the simplification, on subtraction one time we will take the simplification. Both answers will come. Why? Because both answers will be right. Why? Because already I told you for every hour 2 times it will be located 90 degrees. 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20 plus 15, 35. 35 by 11. More than 11, the same procedure. 11 3 is 33 and 2. 3 added here. 38 and 2 by 11. Our answer is 438, 2 by 11. This is one answer. Other answer means how it will come? Minus on minus completely, the setup it will be on minus. (5 into 4 minus 15). 5 into 4 minus 15 by 11. 20 minus 15, 5. 20 minus 15, 5 by 11. Less than 11. So we should not take that division and everything. Our answer is 4, 5 and 5 by 11. 438 and 2 by 11. Two answers. Both are right. In our options, whatever it may be the answer he will give in the options, we may select that answer. 4, 5 and 5 by 11, 438 and 2 by 11. Both are right. Let us take another example. Eight and 9. 8 and 9 means 5 into 8 plus 15 by 11. 15. 5 into 8 plus 15 by 11. Here 40 plus 15, 55. Here 55 by 11. More than 11. 11 5 is a 55. 0. So the 5 added here. 0 by 11. 860 and 0 by 11. One answer. Take that subtraction. 5 8 is 40 minus 15. 40 minus 50 by 11. 40 minus 15, 25. 25 by 11. Here 25. 11 2 is a 22 and 3. 2 added here. 28 and 3 by 11. 8, 28 and 3 by 11. This is our answer. But 860 means 860 it won't be located in any time. 0 by 11 also located, that is nothing but a fraction. This is not a fraction. 860 means how much? Take electronic watch. 8:59, then after it will come what? 8:59 and 8:60 it won't come. It will come 9 o'clock. So our answer is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, comma 8, 28 and 3 by 11. For this one, another wording also there. 90 degrees means both hands are in perpendicular. Both hands are in L shape. Both hands are in 90 degrees. Both hands are in L shape. Both hands are in perpendicular. L shape, 90 degrees, perpendicular. These three are the names, and I mean other forms of 90 degrees. L shape, 90 degrees, perpendicular. Different wording. Now the last angle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. 180 degrees means between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock when 180 degrees will be formed. He asked. Three o'clock. This is L shape, perpendicular, whatever it may be. When between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock 180 degrees will be formed. Nothing but 180 degrees, straight angle. What is the time it is showing? It is showing that at 3:45. Means, is there any possible way to show 180 degrees in between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock? No, nothing. One time only it will be shown. 0 degrees and 180 degrees showed only one time. But 90 degrees, twice. Remember it. For this one, between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, when it will be shown? 5x plus or minus 30, 5x plus or minus 13 by 11. Here, already I told two answers it won't come. But why we are going to use plus or minus? Means, if the question he will give below 5, plus more than 7, it is minus. Below 5 o'clock he will give, means we have to use plus. More than, I mean above 7, above 7 he will give, means we have to use minus. What about between 5 and 7? Between 5 and 7, whatever question he will give, between 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock, our answer is 6. Between 5 to 7. Answer is 6. There is no trick, there is no solution, there is no simplification. Directly, we just take it 6. Let us see how it will go. Take 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. This is below 5. We have to use plus. 3 plus 30. 3 plus 30 by 11. 15 plus 30, 45. 45 by 11. Here more than 11. So 11 4 ja 44. 4 added here. 49 and 1 by 11. So our answer is 349 and 1 by 11. 1 by 11. For example, 7 and 8 he gave. 7 and 8 means in the simultaneous way what we have to use? Minus. Like the same way you just write and do it. These are the complete 0 degrees, 90 degrees and 180 degrees. But what about 180 degrees in the other formats? Other formats means straight angle, both hands are on the same, both hands are on the same straight line, both hands are showing in the different directions. This is a straight angle. Straight angle. Both hands are on the same straight line. This is second one. Third one, both hands are on opposite direction. Both hands are opposite direction. These are the three formats. 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. On these angles only he will give the problem.